Cole squared.
All right.
What are we doing today?
Jumping out of airplanes.
You
guys excited?
Yeah.
You trust him to take you out of an airplane?
I sure do.
You trust me to take you out of an airplane?
Yes.
All right.
That's awesome. What's the occasion? Your birthday.
My birthday.
Your birthday?
Yep.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right.
We'll do what we can to make it to the next one.
We'll try.
All right.
Anything you'd want to say to anybody that would watch this video?
Love you, Leighton. Love you, Bodie. See you in a bit. All right. Did you bring
That's
anybody
it?
with you? No. We'll bring them next time.
Love you, Mom.
Yeah, love you, Dad.
Love you guys. All right. Let's go have some fun.
Do it. Woo. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Oh yeah. We found an airplane. Ready to go skydiving?
Yeah.
Go up really high, come down really fast.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
All right.
High five. High five. High five. Boom. Yoo-hoo. Skydiving! Yeah! Give me a little bit of a right turn. Woo! Here we go.
Oh, no!
Yeah! Nice work!
Oh my god! Woo! Holy moly! Oh!
A
Woo!
little bit of a right.
Oh!
Nice! You feeling good?
Yeah! It feels great! Woo!
Nicely done!
So cool!
You did so good!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Holy moly!
Nice work! Did you have fun or what?
Heck yeah!
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I don't know. The turns probably.
The turns
Cool,
under the
yeah.
parachute?
Yeah.
Pretty cool stuff, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, so crazy.
Was it everything you thought it would be?
Yes, and then some.
And then some. Happy birthday, right?
Thank you.
We're going to make it to the next one.
Yeah.
Skydive Colorado Springs, thank you for coming out. See you next time.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.